Hey guys, today we will discuss what a linked list is in C. So think of a linked list just like a train, where each carriage of the train represents a node. Just like how each carriage is linked to the next, each node in a basic linked list points only to the next node, so we cannot traverse backwards. So in C, we define a node using something called a struct. The struct has two main components. The first is our data, which can be of any type that you want. And our second component is the pointer, which points to the next node in the list. So in a linked list, the head pointer marks the first node, serving as the starting point to access the list. So to access a node's value, we use something called its data field. So for example, if we want to get the first node's value, we would write head, arrow, data, where head is the node and data is the value. So let's discuss how to traverse a linked list. Essentially, in a nutshell, we just start at the head node and move forward node by node until we have no nodes left. Let's visualize this with an example. So we first initialize a temporary pointer, which points to the head of the linked list. In this case, it points to this node. We shall give this pointer the name current. Now let's move to the while loop with the condition. If current is not equal to null, current equals to current next. This means that for each iteration of the while loop, it shall move the current pointer one step forward until it eventually reaches the end of the linked list. Now, in our case, the first iteration will have the current pointer pointing at this node, which isn't null. So we must reset the current pointer to point at the next node, which is this node, which again isn't null. So therefore, what do? We must move the pointer forward again, where it is now pointing at null. Hence, we exit the while loop and finish the traversal of our linked list. Now, this is a very basic example, and many other operations and features exist for a linked list, but I hope this video can get you started on understanding the basics of how a linked list works in C.